Vivo, the Chinese smartphone manufacturer that has captured headlines over the past year for its innovative devices, has a new smartphone coming on or around December 11. It's a new entry into the Nex series, likely called the Nex 2. The new Nex phone from Vivo, featuring a dual screen design, a trio of rear camera and a rear LED ring, appears to be on its way according to series of leaks. So hey folks, this is Samir and here is everything you need to know about the Vivo Nex 2. Excited? So let's get started. Similar to the Nubia X, the Nex 2 reportedly feature a dual screen design in an apparent attempt to maximize the screen-to-body ratio of the front display. You just flip the phone around and use the second screen if you want to take selfies or video call, thereby eliminating the need of a notch or bezel to accommodate a front-facing camera. In addition to the second screen, the phone also features an RGB LED lunar ring placed around the triple rear camera array. Apparently, one use of the ring is to glow for notifications. We don't yet know the exact specifications of the cameras, but the Nex 2 is rumored to feature a time-of-flight scanner, similar to the one that impressed us earlier this year in Shanghai. As you can see, the primary display extends from corner to corner and is flanked on three sides by a minimal symmetrical bezel with a thick one found at the bottom. There is no selfie camera on the front, so there is no notch or slide-out mechanism. The Vivo Nex 2 fluence a 6.59-inch complete bezel-less display having no notch. It comes with an AMOLED screen having a resolution of 1080 by 2316 pixel and a density of 388 ppi. Under the hood, it packs two quad-core Cryo 385 processor, having a clock speed of 2.8 GHz and 1.8 GHz, which is based upon the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset. It can deliver great performance together and is assisted by the Adreno 630 GPU that handles the graphics. There is a 6GB of RAM, which ensures there will be no lag while gaming or multitasking. The device has been provided with triple rear cameras having 12+12+5 megapixel lenses, which can capture amazing picture with clarity and natural color reproduction. There is no lens at the front, hence the selfie and video calling would be carried by the primary sensors. To keep device running, there is a lithium-ion battery having a huge capacity of 4100 mAh, which can provide immense power backup. It also features the fast charging support that can refill the battery in a short time. The Vivo Nex 2 has a storage capacity of 128GB, which is huge to keep the files and data of the users. The Vivo Nex 2 price is expected to be around $700 which is roughly equal to 15,000 Indian rupees, and it is expected to be launched on December 11, 2018. So guys, are you excited for this new Vivo Nex 2? Do let me know that in the comments down below, and for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.